how to use definition screens and other lists in SPA module. In order to make the basic definitions and settings, we should use the definition menu under the SPA module. First, we may define the several departments in our facility for which we are going to enter the services and products, such as spa, fitness, hairdressers, or similar. Next, we should define different places where these services will be provided, such as massage rooms, steam rooms, saunas, different fitness area, and similar. When defining the staff in our spa facility, we should first define staff groups depending on the variety of services offered, such as, for example, therapist, fitness instructor, receptionist, nutritionist, etc. Then, under staff definitions, we may create the record for each staff member. In the newly opened window, we should add the name of our personnel and relate it to the related staff group. We can also define for this user a display order in the calendar. By activating this button, we can deactivate this user in the system. On the right part of the screen, we can add the departments where the staff member works or have access to. Based on these settings, we have the chance to see different users under different spa places inside the reservation calendar. The same as with staff groups and definitions, we should also define service groups and definitions. Under service groups, we may define different types of programs or massages in general offered at our facility, and then, under service definitions, define each of the massages or specific workout types. Here, in the new record, we should first select among the predefined service groups and then enter the name of the service that will be directly offered to guests. After entering the desired price and currency, we can also define the duration of the service in minutes. Based on the number we enter here, the size of the related reservation box in the calendar will be defined as well. Finally, after selecting the designed revenue group, we can save this record. Besides services, if different kinds of products such as beauty product or supplements are offered for sale in the spa facility, we can open related product groups for these and then enter specific product items. The same as with defining specific services, we should enter the name of the product and connect it to the desired group and then select price, currency, and adequate revenue group. Finally, we can also define different packages to be sold to the end customers. For these, we can open the new card and in the upper part of the screen enter the name, price, and revenue group for the desired package. In the lower part of the card, we may define the desired combination and quantity of the products we have already defined in the system. Sales figures for the defined products and packages can be followed under the related screens. From here, we may add the new products or packages and collect the payments. Reservation calendar settings are done under SPA parameters part. From here, we can set the minute range in the calendar, as well as the opening and closing time of the facility that will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to select the appropriate department in the below fields and to save these settings. Under the guest menu, there are several lists where the spa members or hotel guests are grouped under different lists, as well as several other lists. Under the spa checklist, we list all the checks issued in the spa facility, and we may diversify these whether these are connected to hotel guests' reservations or these are solely for spa members. With the double click on the desired check row, we may see it in more details. Finally, all the reservations made in our spa facility are listed under Reservation Lists part.